Robert is nervous, and for good reason, because Robert's hockey cracks are stumbling uncontrollably across the bumpy, uneven ice of his rink. There are so many worries in Robert's head. The ice is uneven and full of rough patches. It's riddled with waves. To make matters even worse, it's unnecessarily thick. Robert knows this eats into the budget and causes unnecessary expenses. And his cracks are anything but happy about it. But Robert is smart and always up to date. Wasn't there something? Oh yes, the Mammoth Autopilot 3D from Technics. This ice resurfacer automatically scans the surface and thickness of the ice. It records all uneven areas, waves, and grooves on a digital map, and uses this data to create the perfect ice surface with its autopilot mode. Robert opens WM Connect on his smartphone and starts the Mammoth Autopilot 3D with a single tap. The machine begins its driverless rounds. It removes only the excess ice and applies just the right amount of water to fill up thin areas. The result? Unnecessary costs are eliminated. And of course, perfect ice. The cracks are happy. Well, at least Robert's cracks are happy. And Robert is happy. Be happy like Robert. Choose the Mammoth Autopilot 3D from WM Technics.